hello, God bless. I'm Ghana. This your boy made in Ghana, Charlie, and I'm here to free the fans on MX24. I know Charlie. Step to make no go anywhere because it goes on like over you. Bye bye. Hey. Okay, so the name made in Ghana, people know I'm born and raised in Ghana. Since you couldn't they like me, they like I'm because yeah, if I don't UCC made in Ghana, yeah, and that would be the reason I don't want to take Ghana for you. I get better aims. You cannot stand there and talk say, you have to be there, get aims. Yeah, I get aims. I don't take Ghana too far. So see, if they see me now, then we see Ghana. Okay, so for the content creating and comedy, it be good. The thing that they depend on you, they depend on you and your God. If I talk about God, my God be no job when you coupon, so yeah, Charlie, just do your work, then do more. It will be better give you, yeah. Twist. So if I talk say twist, then they mean say you don't know what they can't happen. Twist. And they change your mind. I mean, no. Hey. For comedy here in Ghana, yeah, if you get to location where they won't be like, oh, we can go shoot for this location, then they will sack it like a couple. No, we can't make you shoot here. Our manager, then you have to write letter, blah 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 blah. Yeah, but Charlie, how you go do them small? All we need the support, I mean, yeah. God, if I talk say God, right now if I talk say I look up to the top comedians that did this world, is like who created them? It be God. So if I say God, it means I want all the packages here. Many brand here, many brand on them. I want all the packages. So say yeah, me too. I will get more. You know, yeah. So as in my era right now, this era day inside. We plenty way this thing, so if God make it happen. Me meeting Shatta Wale help my brand. Me meeting Brother Shaggy help my brand. Me meeting other people to help my brand. Plenty people coming, but like them plenty. I'm like them plenty. I don't know if you mention them to them plenty. I appreciate them all. Be my highlight. I go fit talk for now. Yeah, we all these things. God didn't make all these things happen. So yeah. Okay. If I tell you, say I get somebody we are the cash on, I'm like, man, celebrities. They are the lie. I no go lie. They are the lie. If now they can't see, they cool, but I know they are the lie. I'm not get, yeah. So I just go be like, hey, where food? Hey, I don't drive vodka now. Then back and okay, so you see the people that did the prison keep. Some people did the like 90 years, 50 years. Then people will go take them out as a president. Yeah. Okay, me as I did right now, I'm not really get something where maybe I will talk say I dey give this thing to Asumesi, I dey give this thing to Asumesi, where Asumesi go appreciate that. Me, I don't get we need to see my brain nothing they work. So what I get with my heart, if God I will take you before me, I will go. Deliver. Yeah. I call no man. We didn't cry about for real. Yeah, me and you with me here. And many so now me cool, so yeah, I can not buy that room by here. I'm just want to play until cause about boom seed. Diba, till the comprehend. Oh, okay, so my last time meeting Shatta Wale, yeah, it was cool. When we born come fine, yeah, everything be cool, so yeah, be cool. Oh, it be seaside, seaside, yeah. If I tell you, say, I dey tie them, I dey lie, because me, I do plenty things give girls. You know, me say, like, I do plenty things, like, few in the news, I do plenty things, but for the girls, if I, like, crazy thing I do give girl, crazy thing. I know the kind, I know the kind, I know go lie, I know the kind. The thing is, say me, I'm a deep thinker. They like to think far away with my hobby. Yeah, I never shared this thing before. Yeah, I have never shared this thing to you before. Why, Charlie? But you know, you know, say the thing is, say I be kidding. You shall anything. All this one, I don't do anything to them. Make them just do them myself. Me, I be kidding. I go pass them all because I be kidding. I don't make my mind to smash pass. So make them. Yeah. And they like them. And they like them or them music, but Charlie smash pass away pass them. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. I love you. I mean, you know, Charlie. This is me.